So let's move to our function and let's create the function with the help of def. And here it will be accepting the argument which will be cmd. So first let me introduce the what this function is going to do for us. So the main purpose is the function basically takes the command as a string, okay? And it will be cleaning up and then executes it on the local system and returns the result as a string. So there is nothing rocket science in this. It will be basically execute the command and the return its output. If the error occurs, it will be return the error, okay? So let's first of all clean the command. It will be just clean dot strip. So what does this strip is going to do? So basically it will be removing any leading or trailing white space from the command. So let me explain with this example. So now let's see the example. We have this command with we have this string in this command, and we have then in front of this string we have void spaces. So what this string cmd dot strip is going to do? So what will be the output of this? So basically output will be just, so the output will be this hello guys, the void spaces will be not going to be included. So here we have cleaned the command. So now if we don't have anything in the command, so it should return nothing for us, empty string, okay? So this is okay for us, but I will say to write this exception handling. So first we will be using try block, and let's create the variable, and let me write this first, then I will be explaining you. So first let me tell you what this shellx dot split cmd will be going to do. So it will splits the command string into the list of argument and handle the codes correctly. So basically whatever we are going to get, it will be converting into the list, okay? And we have written in this try block. And if we talk about what this sub process will going to do, it will be execute the command and capture its output, like you can say the both standard output and standard error. And we have written this in the try block. So if we are going to get the error, so that error will be handled with the help of except. So let's write this exception block as e. So whatever error we'll be going to get, it will be stored in this e. So let's create a variable, same variable output, and let's say use the f string, and let's write the error to fail to execute command. Let's say error, and let's insert that e, whatever error we'll be getting, and let's encode this. We are using the networking, so we have to like transfer any data like after encoding only, or sometime it's going to get the error. So that's why we are encoding. And once everything is done, let's return the output. But keep in mind, we have encoded the data, then we have to again decode it. So that's it. So basically, if we talk about except block, if the exception occur during the execution, for example, if the command doesn't exist, the exception is caught and the error message is prepared, okay? The error message is encoded into the bytes, match the output format, and then we have returned the output. So let me tell you the summary of this function. So first, basically we have created the execute function, and we will be passing one argument, and we will be cleaning with the help of strip. And if the command is empty, nothing, okay, then it will be returning nothing, empty string. So before executing the command, it will be splitting that command into the list, and then it will be passing to the output with the sub process. And if this is not going to work, if we have error any kind of, so exception block will be occurred and it will be show this error, and whatever error will be there, with the help of e we are going to get, and after that we have returned the output. So that's it for this function, and next function is going to be to main, and so be ready for that.